find the 44th percentile from the following data. Okay, so how do we find the 44th percentile from this data? Well, the instructions for percentile are as follows. So for percentile, so step 1 is to take p over 100 times n, and that's equal to what's called the locator. So you take the percentile, in this case the 44, over 100, because it's 44 per centile. Cent means 100. Remember, a century is 100 years, or a cent is 1/100th of a dollar. So it's 44 percentile, so 44 per 100. So 44 over 100 times n. N is the number of data values, as it always is in statistics formulas. And that'll be the locator. And now there's two different things we do. If the locator is a decimal, if it comes out to have a decimal, round up, let me just say round up and find the data value in that spot. So for example, like 8.1 rounds to 9, find the 9th data value. So again, it's just a locator. It just points you to where you go find the data value. Step 3, though, if the locator is a whole number, right? It's not a decimal. So if it's a decimal, we round it up and find the data value in that spot. If it's a whole number, we find the data values. Well, I keep saying it a little different. I'm trying to be more clear. Find 2 data values, that spot and the next spot, add them and divide by 2. In other words, the average. You average them in that case. Okay. So let's take a look at what we have here. So let's do it. So we're going to take p over 100 times n. So what is p? 44. 44, p stands for percentile, over 100, 44 per 100, times n. What's n? What's total number of data values? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each of these is 5. So there's 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. It looks like 24 data values. So that's n. So use your calculator. And I'm getting 10.56. And this is, and then since it's a decimal, if it's a decimal, you round it up. Round up to 11, but 11's not our answer. You find the 11th data value. So what's the 11th? Well, this is the 10th one here, so this one right here must be the 11th data value. So the answer is 39. What that is, that's the 44th percentile. That means that's the number in the data list that is 44% of the way along. Right? So right in the beginning is the 0 percentile, and the very end is the 100 percentile. So you're ordering the data values from a low of 0% to a high of 100%. And so the one that's 44% along the way, the 44th percentile, is 39. It's just a little before halfway through the data list, the number 39. There we go.